This is an example of short multiplication. We're going to multiply 934 multiplied by the 6. We'll lay it out as follows with your thousand, hundreds, tens and units columns laid out here and your sign here. Begin with 4 multiplied by 6. You can put a little jotter here as a guide. 4 times 6 equals 24. The 2 is carried over to the tens column, and the 4 is placed in the units column. 3 multiplied by 6, which is 18. Add the 2 here that you carried over, so 18, 19, 20. Carry that 2 over to the hundreds column and enter your 0 here. 9 multiplied by 6. 9 times 6 equals 54. And then you add this 2 that you carried over, so it's 54, 55, 56. You carry the 5 over to the thousands column and enter the 6 here. When you've downloaded the software, you can practice your multiplication by clicking the button right here in the corner. The layout may change as the software is upgraded. You're presented with a range of questions from 1 to 25. You can generate a whole new set of questions by just clicking the exercise button here as many times as you like to generate a whole new set of questions. You can answer the questions in any order you require. Just click on the question and you're ready to enter your answer. As you can see, the working is demonstrated as well for this area of the software. If you just go back over the questions you've answered, you'll see the working.